So in this video, let me start with the second main, straight true or false. In the first question is, cube of an odd numbers can be even. So this statement is false. For this, I'll show you the theory for this, okay? So in your book only, it has been given, see, cubes of odd natural numbers are odd only. As you can see here, when we will do the cubes of that numbers, no, we are getting odd number only. And when we will do the cubes of even numbers, no, then we will get the even numbers only. Hence, that question is what? False. Question number 2. A perfect cube does not ends with a 2 zeros. This statement is true. I'll tell you, if the perfect cube it is there, no, it will be always ends with a 3 zeros. Okay. For example, we are having here 1000. Similarly, we'll be having another example, that is 8000. As you can see here, this if I am finding the cube root of this, here it is, we are having 0 which is in the triplet. Let me take 1 0, and 8's cube root, that is 2. So its cube root we found, that is 10. And similarly for this we will find 10. So never a perfect cube does not ends with the 2 zeros. Hence this statement is what? It is true. And the perfect cube always it is ends with the 3 zeros. Okay. More than 3 if it is, I am talking about, it will be double, like a 6 zeros. Okay. Here is the question number 3. If square of a number ends with 5, its cube will end with the 25. So for this, I'll take some examples. See, they are telling square of a number ends with the 5. So it will happens only in the case of 5. Okay. So if I return 5 square, I'll get a 25. Okay. So what they have said, square of a number ends with the 5. So here it is ends with the 5. Now its cube, it means its cube means 5's cube only we need to make here. So 5's cube I'll get, that is 125. Okay, here they are telling it is ends with a 25. Yes, here it is true. Okay, now let me try with the another number. I'll take here 15. See, in this also number it is ends with the 5. 15 square, I'll be having 225. Okay, now here it is ends with the 5. That's true. Now it's again 15's cube we need to find here. 15's cube I'll be having, that is 3375. So here it is not ending with the 25, it is ending with here 75. So in this case this is not apply, so it is false. Hence this statement is false. The answer is for this false. Okay, it means this statement is not all the time true. Okay, sometimes we will get true, sometimes it is we will get false. Hence we will consider this statement is what? False only. Question number 4. The cube of 2-digit number may be a 3-digit number. Here they are telling 2-digit number. When we will find that cube, no, we will get that saying 3-digit number we will say. So here for 2-digit number, I'll consider smallest 2-digit number, that is 10. Okay, and let me make its cube. So for this we will get the, when I'll find out the cube of 10, no, I'll get 1000. So in 1000 only you can see we will be having a 4 digits. Right, so this statement is what now? It's false. So we'll never have a 3 digits, will be at least minimum it will start from the 4. And if you are going for the 99's cube, no, you will get very bigger number, so there will be more numbers of, more digits you will find there. Hence this statement is what? False. Question number 5. Cube of natural number is called perfect cube. Yes, we call, see, if you are taking natural number, starts from 1 only, and if you are going for 2 cube, we will get 8. If you are going for 3 cube, you'll get 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. If you take a 4's cube, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are, you'll get 64. So whatever you are getting, no natural numbers, that is what? Perfect cube only here getting. Hence this statement is what? True. Third main, find the cube root of, in that we are having sub 2 questions. Okay, now let's finding the cube root for this question here. Okay, the question is cube root of 110.592. The number which is in the decimal, let me convert to the fraction for. So I'll get here 0592. So here it is 1,10,592. And here let me count the decimal parts digits 1 2 3. So let me place in that numbers, in that digits 0, and in the place of point let me add here 1. So we got here cube root of 1,10,592. Okay, now we will find the cube root of this number, that is 1,10,592. Since the number is even number, so let me start with the smallest prime number, that is 2. Here 2 5s are 10, 11 minus 10 left with a 1. So here we are having 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4 left with 1. Here we are having 19 now. Now 2 9s are 18, 19 minus 18 left with the 1. So 12 here, 2 6 are 12. 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4, 1, 15 here, 2 7s are 14, 15 minus 14 left with 1. Here we are having 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 9 minus 8 left with 1. Here we are having 16. That is 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 7 minus 6 left with 1. Here we are having 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Now we are having 13,824, and since the number is even number, let me continue with 2 only. 2 6 are 12, 13 minus 12 left with 1. Here it is 18, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 9 minus 8 left with 1. Here it is 11, 2 5s are 10, 11 minus 10 left with 1, 2 6s are 12. Okay. 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2 left with a 1, 14, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4, here 1, 2 8s are 16. Again, since the number is even number, let me continue with the 2. 2 8s are 16, 1 left, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2 left with 1, 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 0 because 1 we can't divide. Now 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 8, no, sorry, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 1 left, 2 7s are 14. Okay, now we have number 27. Let me start with a 3. 3 9s are 27. Here 3 3s are 9, and here it is 3 1s are 3. Now let me make a triplet set for the prime numbers. Okay. Now from the each set, let me take a 1 1 number. So we are having 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and 16 3s I'll be having, that is 48. So for this cube root we found that is 48, and 1000 cube root which is 10. So when I'll convert to the decimal part, I'll get 4.8 here. Hence this number's cube root we found, that is 4.8 here. So we have second question in that. So let me first convert to the fraction. So I'll be having 64 by 1000, cube root of 64 by 1000, and see here 64's cube root, that is 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, and 1000 cube root, that is 10. So if when I'll convert to the decimal now, I'll get 0.4. Hence this cube root which is 0.4 here.